What's up, guys and gals? K1SPL here, and you're tuned into K1's Kpop sessions. Today we're checking out more KNK with their choreography to Rain. Now we'll continue on our series, and yeah, last we did Stay, now we're gonna do Rain today. And I watched a music video before this, and holy moly, we're gonna get into some sad emotions into this choreo. It's already looking cool, and I really like the concept of things. So let's get right to it. YNB Entertainment also, they turned into 220 Entertainment later. KNK with Rain choreography. So let's check it out. And I got my cat here on my desk. Alright. Usually these, I don't know why their dance choreography videos are so loud. I gotta keep it pretty low. Let's go. Right. Props with umbrellas. See, we already saw that in the music video. They have masks on. This is way before pandemic. Green cup in the front is the center. Dang. Really cool hide and seek going on there. The other members are still hiding back there. Dang, so it switches members there. Just pops out. Now they all come out. Really cool backdrop there with the umbrellas. Hitting on the 4. Oop, free flow right there. Whoa, when did he get back there? That's a cool little formation. Some athleticism by the backup dancers. Doing that low crawl. I like this part of the song because it was like he's talking about he's like out in the streets and he's getting bumped by other people while holding that emotional look, emotional charisma. Some shadowing replicating a time clock. Got that Derrick Rose jersey. Oh, dang. Cool prop play there. Oh, they closed the umbrellas. Oh, dang. Switching. Oh my goodness. Tight formation there with the umbrellas on the sides. Oh my god, that was dope. Really cool. Dang, some cool imagery. Oh my god. That was dope. Now they're done with the umbrellas. Chorus choreography. We've seen this already. But now we got all the backup dancers in it. Oh, the movements, man. So slick with it. Dang. Moving to the saxophone. That was such a cool piece. I love of course, props will immediately ramp up the difficulty of a choreography. Just because like props are unpredictable. Anything can happen. It's like whether you misgrab the prop or something, or like it doesn't open or it malfunctions or something. Anything can happen during with props, especially like little handkerchiefs, umbrellas is crazy. What else is there? Vix's their little with Voodoo Doll, the little stiletto they had, stiletto or like the dagger or the baton or whatever you want to call it. They use it as like a microphone and stuff like that. That's super cool. But props, man. Props to Kunakun, and also props are crazy to work with in a choreography just because of the um variability of what might happen, and you gotta have full control of the props and the situation. So let's go back through it again because such an emotional piece. I really like, my favorite part was that part where he's like, the lyrics go like he's like in the streets, and then like the other members are like bumping him, but he's like, he's not looking forward. He's just like maintaining that like sadistic, melancholy, uh, feel or emotion of like sadness. Let's go. So all the backup dancers have masks. All the Kunakun members don't have masks, and this was way pre-pandemic. Going to the snaps popping out. When was this? This was August 7, 2017. I like that huge shuffle, hide and seek. All the members have very long travel points and hiding, shadowing behind the backup dancers there. Hey. The way he moves to his verses is just smooth. Yo, we switch members here. Coming to the forefront there. Then we get all the members. Coming to the chorus choreography, and then really cool backdrop, as I said earlier. A lot of emphasis on the four beat. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So some of the umbrellas are closed, and then they move to that da 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 da. Oh, it's supposed to replicate a car. Wow, how did I not see that? So like the da 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 is like windshield wipers. Da 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 da. Yo, that's dope, man. I did not see that the first time. Getting bumped in the streets. Dropping to his knees there. This like a little time clock here. So cool when they do that. A little in between the line there. The file. This is cool right here. It's when they have control of the props. There's some backup dancers out of this choreo here. They threw it to the backup dancers there. Ooh. See, in little moments like that, anything can happen. This tight formation here, coming up, backup dancers coming up from the side. This is really cool here. Really cool imagery. Down the center line. I love that last part when they all spread out. This chorus choreography is just so cool. Love their level plays there. Going to medium, dropping to the knees. They turn around and drop to their knees. This is just so kuna. When you see enough of their choreographies, you just know their dynamic movements, man. What I like about KNK's choreography is their movements are very it's not like it's not repetitive from like choreo to choreo. From choreo, sometimes you see like from choreo to choreo, you see like similar movements and stuff like that, and you're just like, oh yeah, I've seen that move before. Oh, I've seen this, I've seen that. KNK, it's like, whoa, it what is this movement? What is that? What is it keeps you like surprised all the time, like just to see like new things. It's like, whoa, didn't think you would move that way to this song. It's very, like I said, dynamic movements, and it's variable from choreo to choreo. It's not always like the same and stuff. It's what I love about their choreo so far. But dude, love it. Alright guys, that's it for this session here. Dude, this rain, one of my top favorites here, just because of the props and the emotional piece. So cool. Alright guys, peace on out. That's it for this session. This session is now over. Peace on out. Catch you next session. Later.